In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Expedia discount code. If you're planning your next vacation and looking for ways to save some money, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you're fully prepared to snag those great deals. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Expedia Philippines website. This platform is a treasure trove of travel options, offering everything from vacation homes and hotels to car rentals and flights. Once you're on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This can make finding deals and navigating through the site much more intuitive. Now, the next step is crucial for getting access to personalized discounts and offers. You'll need to sign in to your Expedia account. To do this, find the Sign In option on the site. It's a simple click away. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, don't worry. Creating an account is quick and easy. Filling in a few details will open the door to a range of offers tailored just for you. Remember, having an account can often give you access to exclusive deals, which you definitely don't want to miss out on. Once you're successfully signed in, head back to the home page of Expedia. The home page is your central hub where you can start organizing all your travel plans. Now, on to the exciting part, the deals. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to go to the Top Deals section of the Expedia site. Here, Expedia compiles some of the best discounts available across the board. With a variety of options at your fingertips, you can explore different possibilities, whether it's last-minute hotel offers or flight promotions. Spend some time browsing through this section. You'd be surprised at the kinds of savings you can find with a bit of patience and exploration. These options in the Top Deals area can help you plan a budget-friendly trip without compromising on the quality of your experience. As you browse, make a note of any deals that catch your eye. It's always helpful to compare different offers before making a commitment to ensure you're getting the best price possible for your desired travel dates and destinations. And there you have it. You've now learned how to access Expedia discount codes in just a few simple steps. Easy, right? By taking advantage of these tools, you can reduce the stress of budgeting for your next adventure and perhaps even have a little extra left over to treat yourself along the way. Happy travels and happy savings!